Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will tell you guys how to lose weight without trying much and without putting a lot of efforts in it. And if you're someone like me who often feel like eating something crunchy or eating sweet because I have a sweet tooth, and craving for eating spicy noodles and anything which is spicy or sugary or whatever, like these things, I will tell you all the things that I do to lose weight, um, or to just not to lose weight, but to maintain a healthy diet and to feel healthy and to be a lot more healthier. Also, the first thing is that you should not aim for like losing weight or losing a certain amount of kgs, pounds, or something like that. You should actually aim for a healthy lifestyle, for a healthy body, for a healthy mind. Only then you will be able to achieve your goals in that direction. Like, this approach is a lot more healthier than to just restrict yourself or cut down all the sugary items or go on a crash diet. Or intermittent fasting is also something which won't help a lot of people. So yeah, choose a correct path, choose a healthy lifestyle, eat healthy food, also eat the food that you like. Why have we categorized food into like um, healthy food and bad food or something? Like, food is food, it is something which you eat to fuel yourself, so it should not be categorized into healthy food or into junk food. It should be the food that you love eating and the food that you should eat, which is like the healthy part. So the food that you love eating should also um, contain foods which are actually healthy for your body, and also which um, or like also some foods like junk food or like chips or whatever that you like or love to eat, but don't binge eat on something. If you feel like eating some sweet or some sugary thing, or like a pack of chips or something, just eat a small amount of it. Don't eat the whole packet of chips. And I know sometimes it happens that um, we just want to have one piece of chocolate and we end up eating the whole bar of chocolate. So in this case, what you can do is to have a proper meal first, which is full of all the nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, everything. And after that, when you feel like you have eaten your heart, you have eaten healthy, you have eaten a full bowl of salad or like dal chawal or whatever that you like a proper meal that you have taken. After that, you can approach the food that you like or the food that you are craving for. And in majority of the cases, you won't feel the need to eat that food. And even if you do want to eat that food, it's okay, because you have already eaten food which was full of nutrients and proteins, so your blood sugar levels or the glucose spike will not be there. um, so you won't end up eating a lot of that food. You will just eat a small amount, not too much, because because your stomach is actually already full from healthy fats. And yeah, so this is also a tip actually. And the second thing is to know, don't put yourself in like strict diets or something. I have tried intermittent fasting, and um let me tell you one thing, that it doesn't work for everyone. The diets which are out there, every diet which is out there, whether it be intermittent fasting or that keto diet or any diet of that sort of, is not healthy. It won't suit everyone. Like, you can't just cut out carbs and you will lose weight, or you can't lose weight in a night. Okay, it will take time for you to lose weight. You have to start living a healthy lifestyle for to lose weight. So, um, I tried intermittent fasting for like a year or so, and my health, I had a lot of problems because of that. I used to feel my energy was draining. I used to feel very tired. Very often, I used to feel tired, and there were a lot of things. I used to feel headaches. I used to feel dizzy. Um, I used to feel sick and I was very moody all of a sudden and all of the time. And yeah, these were the things that intermittent fasting did to my body and to my mood and everything. So it was not good for me, though I lose weight, but it was not the right thing to do in order to lose weight. So now what I do to lose weight is just I increased my physical activities. It's not like I'm someone who do exercise every day, every time. I hate exercising, doing yogas and everything. I just feel like I just don't have the time to exercise or all. I know it is just a myth that you don't have time. If you really want to do something, you will surely get time for that. But I just feel I just don't. I just feel like I want to just include these exercises and like my daily habits or and all. So what I do is whenever I study something or a topic which wants me to just read it out loud, what I do is I just roam around in corridors or like in my room itself, and then I study it. So by this, I'm also inculcating a physical activity, which is I just walk around for like 1 hour, 2 hours, whenever, for however long I am studying that topic. So this helps me to just stay active. Also, what I do is I run. I go upstairs into the terrace and do things whatever my mom says me कि ये कर दे वो कर दे तो मैं वो कर देती हूँ उससे भी बहुत सारी फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ मैं कर रही हूँ according to that. Also, then of course I go to school. I'm a high school student, so um, in that sense also I do a lot of physical activities in school because my class is like on the third floor, so I really have to go up and down every time for everything. Another thing, or another tip on how you can stay healthy. And if you're not a school going student or something, just try to do a lot more home chores, whatever you have. Like, do cleaning, do clean your room, your closet, which is never clean or organized. Like, at least my closet is never organized. Every time the clothes are just here and there. And so, yeah, you can clean that. You can clean your room, you can clean your house, you can clean anything, you can do the dishes, or even cooking can burn fat. Like you really have to do so much mixing here, there, where, everywhere. So yeah, with that also you can lose a lot of weight. The main point is just to stay active and just to have like physical activities going on in your life. Another thing is sweet cravings. So yeah, which I tell you earlier, like you should eat a full meal before eating the food that you like. Also, another thing you can do is if you ever feel like craving something, you can just have a piece of cake is okay, but a whole piece of cake is not okay. And I am someone who does this. I end up eating the whole cake. So in this sense, and then after that I end up feeling very guilty and all. I'm someone who has suffered from eating disorders, and what I do now is whenever I eat something which is like very whenever I end up eating the whole cake, what I do is the next day I try to eat a lot more healthier than I did the day before. So yeah, if I eat like a whole cake today, the next day I will try to eat more green, to eat more healthy, to eat home cooked meals. That is what I do. And yeah, it it ends in making me feel a little better about myself and my body. Guys, so these were the tips that I wanted to share with you all. And I will surely make a part 2 of this video and we'll continue this episode. Also, I will make vlogs about what all I eat in a day or something like that. So yeah, till then, wait for me, wait for the next video, and the upcoming vlogs will be all about dieting, eating healthy, staying fit, being a better version of yourself, and yeah, everything related to this. So yeah, you will actually enjoy the upcoming videos a lot. So yeah, till then, take care of yourself and bye. I love you so much.